Welcome to Shoes by Sylvie. Today I'm going to do some unboxing of some new shoes I just got, and I think you'll like them. But you're gonna have to let me know, like, what you think, because I'm kind of iffy about one pair. I really don't know if I really like them. Oh, by the way, I hope every single one of y'all had a great Thanksgiving. Ours was cool. Ours was pretty mellow and chill. And can y'all hear me? Because I might need to turn down the piano. I'm not sure. Because that's me playing back there. Just kidding. We had a really good Thanksgiving. Everything is going by so fast. And I haven't been able to do a live in a little while. So I thought, let me go ahead and do this, and I wanted to do an unboxing with y'all because I'm excited about my shoes. I was waiting for the other pair of shoes that I ordered. I might have to surprise y'all with those because I'm really excited about those. I'll just give you one clue. Red bottoms. Maybe I should have just said red. That's it. But I'm excited for those coming in. They didn't have them at the store when I went. So, can y'all hear me? Let me try. Hang on. So I'm using this new camera, which doesn't really allow me to see it right away. So, let's see what's going on. Anyway, I can't see. I feel like commenting. I have to figure this whole thing out. I'm kind of new, but so I'm gonna do some unboxings, like I said. This is my first pair. I love this brand, Gianvito Rossi. Why? Because y'all, they are some of the most comfortable designer shoes that I've worn. A lot of times I feel like designer shoes are not that comfortable. They look good, they make you feel great, they make you feel like like a badass woman, whatever. But they're not comfortable, but these really are. And I'm not gonna say anything about red bottoms because, you know, there are some that are comfortable. Hey babe.
Not much.
Which I ordered some and I think that they will be. I ordered them a size bigger, hoping that they are gonna be better. But anyway, let me get to these. Can y'all see? I love shoes, y'all, and I just want to share my experiences with my shoes because I feel like a lot of my friends ask me oh, where'd you get those shoes from? Are they comfortable? What are they? How much do they cost? Blah blah blah. And I'm like, you know, I feel like it's a lot of questions that a lot of people want to know, and it kind of sucks when you buy the shoe and then you're like, why did I buy this shoe? Because it's not comfortable. I can't wear it. It's sitting in my closet. I have a couple of those in my closet right now. I try to wear them because I want to stay I actually am getting use out of the shoe, but I can't. And Joe gets mad at me because I can't walk after 2 hours. And I don't blame him because I'm like, babe, I can't walk. Sorry, what can I tell you? Hang on, maybe some rosé. Okay, so my first pair of shoes, Gianvito Rossi. So I know what you're probably thinking. White, we're in the middle of fall. It's gonna be winter. Why? Well, first of all, they were on sale, so I can use them next year. They're really cute, and I know that this designer. Babe, am I on? Can you check, please? You can sit down and join if you want. I have a big surprise at the end, guys. So stay tuned for the whole video. At the very end, I have a big surprise. You might die. Is it on?
Let me check.
Okay. So anyway, this designer, I already know their shoes are really comfortable. So I know if I wear them, I'm gonna be not in pain. And this is kind of To me, this is not a very high heel. Maybe to a lot of y'all it might be. But when you put this heel with this arch right here, it's not that bad. Now, the soap case from Christian Louboutin.
See? You're on.
Alright, cool. Now, those are terrible. Don't ever buy those. Don't. I don't care how sexy they look on your foot. Y'all, ladies, don't ever buy those shoes. It's going to be the biggest waste of your money. They're beautiful, but, you know, I don't, did the camera fall? Can you check, please? I don't know. Okay, so let me try them on for y'all. These go with everything. I've bought these because I feel like they can be really cute with, like, dresses, summer dresses, even for work. They're workish.
Is that the ones you just got in?
Yeah, these are all unboxing of my new shoe collection, and then the big surprise at the
It
end.
doesn't sell it.
Yes, I told him. I was like, that was one of the reasons I bought them, because they were on sale. Okay, so I have to tell y'all, because my sister got on me, because she's like, this is what you need to talk about. This is the bullet points that you need to speak about. What people want to know, are they true to size? How much do they cost? Do you have a fat foot? Because if you have a fat foot, these are not going to fit in your feet. And then Cliff, my brother-in-law, was telling me the same thing. He's like, you need to write everything down. I'm like, dude, I'm not going to, okay, I get it. Write everything down, bullet point. You know what? Today I didn't have time. So Cliff, if you're watching this, it's going off the top of my head right now. So price. So these were down from $815 to $611. And I know what you're thinking. $611 on sale is still not that cheap. I know, it's still not that cheap. But they're white and they're neutral, and I like neutral color shoes, y'all, because you can wear them all the time. And they, let me stop blabbing, I keep talking. And, let me cut down on my feet. And so I feel like I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wears out of them. I feel like I'll get a lot of wears, and what is it like, the cost per wear, I think it's called, like how many wears do you get? I don't know. I was talking about this, like, okay, so does that mean it costs you, I don't know, $50 every time you wear this shoe? Because if you do the cost per wear, some crap like that we were talking about. Anyway, let me put this down to my feet so y'all can see. Super cute. These are the ones I know I'm going to keep for sure, because they are super comfortable, well-rounded, white, pretty shoes. The other ones, I'm going to have to get some opinions on those. I'm not sure if I'll take them back. Honestly, I don't even know if I can take them back, because I don't know if they were final sales. But these I really, really like. Okay, so you see? And these are true to size, y'all. I wear a size 9. I think my foot is like a medium size. This is, so these are 39s for the European size, okay? I don't have a small, I have a huge, humongous foot, but you know what? These are really cute. And just so you know, like, anybody has my size shoe, my foot size, this will fit you perfectly. Oh, and then, see how it has the ankle? So cute. You like that? Okay. Okay, so on to the next. Alright, so let me go on to the next shoe. I hope that y'all like these. I just got them at Neiman Marcus maybe about a few days ago, not even a week ago. And I'm not going to wear them right now because it's just not the season, not the weather. I mean, I love white, don't get me wrong. I love white in the winter. And you will see that in just a little bit, because I know there are some friends that are like, what are you doing wearing white? But you know what, guys? It's not even about like wearing white in the winter and it being after Labor Day. It doesn't even matter anymore. I mean, if you want it to matter, you can let it matter. But for me, it doesn't matter. I'm going to wear it. But these, I wouldn't because they're really sandally. They're just not really winter material. Surprise, surprise, another Gianvito Rossi. I love this designer. Like I said, I can't go wrong with him. He's just, they're just really comfortable. Okay, these are the ones I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep. I think I am. They looked okay on the shelf, right? But then when I put them on, I was like, oh, they're really comfortable. And then a lot of people were like, oh, those look really cute on. And they have a short heel. This heel is super, super short. Can y'all see that? And then they have this thing in the back. And I love this because it's like, it reminds me of a turtleneck. Everybody, I feel, looks good in turtlenecks. You could be like, you could be really, really dressed down, not looking that great, but you throw on a turtleneck and it makes you look good. I don't know why it's an old, fashion statement, whatever, but this looks like to me, it looks like when you put the turtleneck on, right? It's around your neck right here. And then this part right here is the neck. And then like sleeveless turtleneck for women. That's how I feel these shoes look. Let me try them on for y'all. So these are also true to size. They were originally $895. They were on sale for $537, which is not a bargain. I mean, it is, but if I'm like second guessing them, I really want a pair that I'm really, really, really gonna wear. So let me try them on and let y'all know. I wish I could see comments, like if there's anything going on or what y'all are doing. What are y'all doing today? Y'all talk to me. Let's see. Please tell me this video is still going because we were having some connection problems last time and it wasn't good. Okay, are y'all still there? Are y'all still there? Hello? Babe? Huh? Yeah. Okay. So here are these.
What up, babe?
Will you check to make sure I'm still live? Please?
What?
Will you check to make sure I'm still live?
Do what?
Will you check to make sure I'm still live? I can't do it with this camera. I don't know why. I haven't figured out all the logistics to it yet. Is it off? Okay, y'all. So here is baby. Okay, so these are the other ones that I was telling y'all about. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep or take them back, but they're really, really comfortable. They're very workish. You can wear these to work, like real estate conference or whatever. I'm saying real estate conference because I'm in real estate. Okay.
You're retired.
And so.
Yeah, you got it. You're there.
Okay, thanks. So these are. They are kind of cute, right, y'all? Is anybody on there? Okay, they are kind of cute. Look at the back. Babe, get out. They're really, really comfortable. Berenice, I see y'all's comments now. Like, I think it's working. Hey, girl. So, should I keep these or not? Yes, Berenice says yes. Let's see. I mean, it's like they're true to size. They're like super. Oh, so another thing I felt about these shoes were because they had the elastic. See, these are elastics, y'all. Like they go like this, right? And I felt like they were gonna look kind of cheap because of that. And I was like, well, I don't want to spend that much money, and then they look all cheap, and then, you know. But now sitting here looking at it, I think they look kind of good. Like, let's see, like you put, yeah, like this. Wear them with some, with the skirt. Would y'all wear these to work? I don't know. I like them. I think I'm keeping them now. Thanks, girl. Thanks, Berenice. You convinced me to keep the shoes. Oh, wait. I just have to take this part off right here. You're so funny. Okay. Now, can y'all hear my piano playing back there? That was my gift, a gift from my baby. I used to play piano, and so he got me a piano. Sorry, y'all. Let me switch it back to my face. Okay. I have another pair right here. Can y'all guess what it is? Another pair of Gianvito. But these, oh my god. Oh, I forgot to bring the socks. I don't want to leave. Okay, well, you'll see what I'm talking about right now. Y'all, okay, these were, I saw them and I've been wanting, I love white shoes, like I said, and I love white boots. And I feel like sometimes some of them might look a little cheap, and I'm like, oh, I don't know, I don't like those, I don't know. But I just feel like you have to put them together with the right outfit to really make it look on point. Anyway, so I was trying these on, and the salesman goes, well, you know you can make that boot look different, because I was trying to justify the price. I'm thinking, spending, well, I'll tell y'all in a little bit how much, but this much on a boot. I'm thinking, okay, I feel like I want to get different styles out of them, different, just make it look different, right? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and reveal. This is a bit, it smells so beautiful, so good. So it has this plastic mesh right here in the front, and then it has the one around the heel right here. And so when I was trying them on, you know, they look super cute, but then the sales guy goes, you know, if you stick a different color sock in there, you can make it look like a black and white shoe or a red and white shoe or whatever color you want. And I said, oh my gosh, that's such a great idea. I had never even thought about that. I don't know how many times I'll do that. I don't know if I'll probably just, or maybe I'll do black and white. But anyway, the heel is really short, so it makes it a lot more comfortable. It's not that tall. And these are also true to size again. Wait, hold on. I'm lying, hang on. I just realized this one, why did I got a bigger size, y'all, hold on. My big old patotas, like this one, oh, golly, this is a 39. These are 39. No, these run small. Or it's just my big old foot. This is a 39 and a half. That's almost a 10. But whatever. You know, I mean, they're gorgeous. And who cares? Like, as long as you're comfortable, right? I mean, I feel like a lot of people try to get their foot into a smaller shoe. But I'm like, why? Just be comfortable, dude. Just be comfortable. Anyway, let me go ahead and put these on for y'all. See? Even then at 39 and a half, I'm having, why am I having a hard time? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna roll this up a little bit more. Aren't these fabulous? I think they are. I fell in love with these. And they're so soft. The leather is super just forgiving. This leather will mold to your feet. Not your feet having to mold. Hang on. I can't get this on. Not your feet having to mold to the freaking shoe. Hold on, give me a second. These fit, y'all, I promise.
You trying those on?
Yeah. Will you get me another glass of wine, babe? And then I'm gonna need you to come back.
They look like shoes that you'd buy. It's so hard to get on.
And they have a zipper, it goes all the way up, so it's because I don't know why. I'm swollen from freaking Thanksgiving. That's what's going on. Okay, let me get up and show y'all. So obviously I would not wear them like this. I mean, I don't even, what can I wear them with? Now I'm kind of like, I bought them, but I don't know. Wait, do they look better like this? I'm gonna have to play around with this one, y'all. I really don't know how this looks, huh? So, these are the boots. Oh, thanks, babe. Come back. I love white booties. And I actually don't have this is my first pair of white boots that are kind of like, I mean, for fall, winter. What do y'all think? Do you like them? I think I'm just really swollen or something. Like, these were not that tight. They're not tight, they're just... Oh, maybe my feet are sweaty. I don't know. Oh. Okay, so... I have one last surprise, which... I actually need someone here. Babe? Okay, well, I'm gonna do the surprise without you. I'm gonna do the surprise without you.
What can I do?
So, y'all, I have a surprise because I gave my babe his Christmas gift early. And I'm gonna unveil it to you. You wanna show them?
Do I have to?
You don't have to. I can do it for you. No problem. Y'all ready? Obviously, there were shoes. They're right here. I already had them.
Gotta put them on.
You want to put them on?
Only if, all I can see is my feet.
Okay, well, you can sit right there.
Thanks,
babe. Wait, I'm just gonna preface this. Is that how you say it? Yeah. So y'all, Joe loves cowboy boots and he loves ostrich boots. And babe, this is my show. If you don't want to model, just cálmate. And so his ostrich boots are like not that great anymore. They're kind of. So I've been searching for some new ones for him. And all the ones that, and I bought him a new pair the other day, and they were like not that great. But anyway, I found these, and they were super, super, super. I felt were like sexy. They're sold in Pinto Ranch, and some other stores, like in Colorado or whatever. But anyway, these are Stallion Boots. I had these custom made for him because I know what he likes. And I know, wait, babe, you can't ruin the surprise. Okay, fine. What are you having to go do? I'll model them myself. So anyway, I had these custom made for him. What do you think? Full quill ostrich. Y'all, size 15 shoes are freaking... Baby, stop. He's gonna model them for y'all. This is a lot of freaking ostrich. A lot of freaking quill, okay? They had the European, I had them do the European cut French toe. He loves booties because the full tall ones, they're too hot for him and he just doesn't wear them. They're too uncomfortable. We're in Houston, so he likes the summer booty and he likes the shorter heel. So I had these made for him for Christmas and they have like the zipper goes down and everything. Super soft. These were actually called the Zorro collection from Stallion. So hold on, babe. So hold on. So this part right here, I don't know if y'all can tell. Like this part right here was only the quill, and then right here was like the ostrich skin or whatever it was called. But I had to make him all quill. So right here, and then right here too. Anyway, that was his gift for the next 5 years. Just kidding. So you want to go ahead and model them?
Not really, but I'll do it for you.
Thanks, babe. Okay, well, get inside the tapes right there.
What do I do?
Huh?
Where do I need to walk? Where do I need to walk? I just walk there and I'm done.
Okay,
Where?
go ahead and walk.
Where do I stand?
Right here, and right here, and right here. Oh. But come back a little bit behind the tape because then they can't see. There you go. And how comfortable are they?
Very nice.
Okay, now you don't go like that. You're out the screen. Go back. There you go. Okay. Okay. And he's done. But anyway, those were like, I love those shoes. I was super proud of my decision in ordering them for him. You're welcome. And his Christmas gift. And I just love these. And actually, I'm going to get me a pair of ostrich ones. Not like this, like more, obviously more girly, but I actually asked another company to make them for me. They never got back to me. But I'm probably going to ask these people because they're so nice. They're called Stallion. And they're just super hands-on, emailing back and forth. Really, really nice people. They did a great job. This is excellent, excellent work. And I don't know if you can see the bottom. They're beautiful. They're just gorgeous. Anyway, y'all, If you want to see more, oh, so what I want to do, I'm gonna actually, these are my unboxings, so I'm gonna wear the shoes and let y'all know how they actually wear and if they are actually comfortable. So I'll do another video on that, and then I will be doing a video on my, I guess my Christmas, not Christmas collection, but my holiday collection shoes, where, you know, everybody has the holiday parties they're going to, so, those are really sparkly shoes, and I think you'd like them. You don't, you know, you wear them once a year, but you have them, they're like collectible shoes, you just, they don't go out of style, those things. So I'll show y'all those probably in a couple of days and let you know how they wear and if they are really, really comfortable, because they are, there's a lot of them that are really comfortable that you can wear all night long and they look super beautiful and great. And they're not going to be all, some of them are not all designers, some of them are, you know, regular, you know, your everyday collection shoes. But anyway, if there's something that y'all would like to see, let me know. Also, if I have any amigas out there that want to come be a special guest on my show, let me know. I would love to have you. And I'd love to see your collection of shoes, ladies. And maybe some guys, I don't know. We'll see. But mainly, I like ladies' shoes. So let me know. Y'all want to come? I'd love to have you. And y'all have a good night. Love y'all. Shoes by Sylvie. Like, share, subscribe. I'm also on YouTube. So y'all, what is it called? Y'all subscribe and follow. Love you. Bye.